Welcome to Tomahawk DIY, everyone. I'm Mike. You ever drive in your car, hear some noises coming from the bottom, not quite sure what it is? There's a good chance that it's just a cover plate that helps protect the bottom of your car from moisture and things getting up into the engine that could cause you bigger problems. It's really easy to fix. Let me show you how. So, taking a look under here, see how this thing's flapping down? There's a bunch of holes like this, some of which are torn. This is what's scraping a lot of times below people's vehicles when there's noise being made, maybe as you're going over a bump, into a driveway, into a parking lot, things like that. It's not a huge deal, other than this stuff's here for a reason. It's not just here for looks, and that's to help keep water and things from splashing up. Under here, there's a hole there where my finger's poking through. There's also a hole right here, and those two need to go together. A little plastic clip like this kind of thing. It's falling out, so we're gonna put one back in. I'll include a link where you can buy these on Amazon. You can pick them up at car parts stores, things like that as well. Broken plug right there. So we're trying to get that bad boy out. Now yours may or may not have a plug still in place. If it does, you gotta get it out. Alright, with that out, we're going to put our replacement plug in. Getting one that's the right size for your hole is the biggest key here. That one's not the right size, but you get the idea. This one's a lot bigger than the replacement one I've got, so I got to go get a bigger one. The other area we're also going to address is right here. Screw in this bad boy. We're going to put a washer on it. This is one that we've torn the plastic sheathing or plastic guard. Alright, got a washer here. That should help hold it a little bit better. And we're going to screw it back in. And there you have it. Two ways to fix the plastic that can start dragging, hanging down under your car. If you don't fix it, eventually it's going to tear off, and then over time you're going to start getting water and moisture up in places where you really don't want it. Thanks so much for watching Tomahawk DIY. Like the video. Have a great day. Doing this left-handed now, which is a little bit harder for me. I'm not a southpaw.